To add a comment to the comment bank, click Add to Bank. Enter your comment, and then click Add. To use a comment from the comment bank, select the text you wish to comment on. Hold down Option, Command, and M, and then enter the hashtag symbol. From here, use your arrows until you get to the comment you want to use. Strike the Return key, Tab, and then Return once more. Let's do that again. Select the text, Option, Command M, enter the hashtag symbol, use your arrow keys down or up, strike Enter, Tab, Return. We'll do it one more time. Select the text, Option, Command M, enter the hashtag symbol, choose the comment you want to use, strike the Return key, Tab, Return. And that's it. Thanks for watching today's tip. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. And if you like videos like this, be sure to subscribe.